Let us continue, dear students, the further topic of the chapter 1, the French Revolution of standard 9. Dear students, as in last video, just I explained how the power of the Jacobins just reduced and the period of reign of terror over with the death of or with the death punishment of Robespierre. I mean to say, after this, what just happened, whatever the lower section peoples who were in the power just reducing their capacity and authority, right? When now there is a question arise in mind, after Robespierre was the ruling be completely transferred from the Jacobins club, right? Actually, now as you seen in last video that why the steps are so hard steps will taken by Robespierre, because no one was just controlling them, means having abundant power with Robespierre. So it was decided that there should be a system be designed as any one person cannot be superpower, and he do not do such like that he is all in all, right? For controlling the ruler there should be a system as the ruling be just attached to that system and just monitor and just warn if any unwanted decisions just was taken, right? So dear students, there was changing in the ruling system. There is little bit changing in the ruling system, no doubt, as there was system of the convention, right? And there is legislative system. Now elected legislative system just designed a directory, right? And now with the help of this directory the rulers has to rule out, means whatever the decisions will be taken now not be desire of any one person, but it will be the decision of the directory. So the rulers can or the legislative council will take decisions with the advice of directory. So a new system of directory ruling was just imposed in France, right? So today's topic is directory rule in France. Directory rules in France, right? Now just understand all this event with this flowchart, right? What happened earlier when there was fall of Jacobin clubs, right? Since in Jacobin's club government there was the priority of the weaker section of the people, when the falling of this club there was rising once again the of the wealthier classes, right? Means with the falling of the Jacobin clubs wealthier classes acquired power, right? Acquired wealthier class just got power, and as you just studied in last video that there was new constitution was adopted, right? And under the new constitution it is already declared during the Robespierre government that derived voting rights to non-propertied sections. No doubt in Robespierre government all the passive citizens except women just got voting rights, means the man of 21 and more than 21 year will be given voting rights. Right? Now, as there was the system of the elected legislative system, which was just elected by the people's rights by voting. Now, elected legislative system just designed a system of directory. Right? What happened? Elected legislative councils designed a system of directory in which there are 5 members. Right? So, whatever the decisions will be taken by elected legislative councils, they have to discuss with the directory's members. There are 5 members in this directory, right? Now you can say here, means the role of the directory was just becoming so much powerful, right? So dear students, this directory, now there is a question just arising, how can the election of this directory happen, or the members of this directory happen? Obviously these are the members just elected by elected legislative council, right? So the members of the directory were just elected by legislative council. Means now the system just happened, the rulers will not take themselves any one decisions, and whatever the decisions of legislative council will be discussed with the directory, as not a single person will take their own decisions, right? But now there is a problem just arising here. The dispute was continued between the elected legislative council and the directory, right? If any of the decisions just elected legislative council just wanted, it will be just warned or asked or forbid by directory. When directory just opposed for any decisions, right, what actually just done, the elected legislative council just dismissed that members from the directory. So the dispute was just started between the directory and elected legislative council, right? Now dear students, as I told you, just see the points. Executive made up of 5 members, executive made up of 5 members are just directory, right? Means 5 members of this directory. Why this directory was formed? This directory was formed because seeing the conditions of earlier rulers, or any rulers cannot be dictator, for this purpose this directory was formed. Now see here what is written, as rulers cannot be dictator, means in coming time or during the ruling time not a rulers just became dictator. That's why such a step was taken. Now learning the lessons from the one man executive under Jacobins. If you will see the ruling of the Jacobins, in Jacobins ruling, Jacobins club ruling, you will see the how Robespierre just became dictatorship, right? So in ruling in coming time, such person or such situation will not be created once again. That's why this system of the directory was adopted. As I explained you, the conflict between the directors and the legislative council often result in political instability, right? As I told you, when directory, the members of directory just warned or opposes for any decisions, then just elected legislative council just dismissed that member or replaced that member. That's why there was dispute just created. When such dispute just increased, when such dispute increased, there was instability in the government, right? Who are the peoples responsible for taking or making decisions when they are in conflict situation? Then how the ruling be run properly and systematically, right? So what happened? Due to the rising of the conflict between the legislative council and directors of the directory, there was the situation of instability of political system in France, which paved the way for the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. Resultly, what happened? The situation was just monitored by the againsters, by opposers, and this was the result that in coming time a dictatorship ruler, a powerful ruler, a modernizer of France just comes in power, right? So you can say such type of rulings of the directory was continued from 1794, and this will run for about to 10 years, right? And what happened in 1804? There was a rising of one big power as in the form of Napoleon Bonaparte, right? So dear students, this will you see in the further video. Now for introduction, just I told you Napoleon Bonaparte, who was a military general, right? He was also popularized in European history or French history as a modernizer of the France, and he was dictatorship rulers, right? One more thing, dear students, it was just thinking of the peoples earlier, right? That Hitler will, sorry, Napoleon will not be a dictator ruler, but he will be a far better ruler. But what the thinking of the people was not fulfilled, and as a dictatorship ruler, he just rised in 1804. So what happened later? Just we will see in coming video. Thank you. Have a nice day and wait for the coming video. Thank you.